Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something really special for all you outdoor enthusiasts out there. We're going to introduce you to what we believe is the best ATV cup holder available in the market, the Accmor Universal Cup Holder. Now, what makes the Accmor Universal Cup Holder stand out from the crowd? Let's dive right into it. First off, this cup holder is not just for ATVs, it's designed to be incredibly versatile. You can use it on your ATV, wheelchair, bike, scooter, stroller, walker, and so much more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cup holders. It's compatible with a wide range of bottle sizes, with a diameter of less than 85 millimeters. Whether you're carrying baby bottles, water bottles, coffee mugs, or any other beverage containers, this cup holder has got you covered. The Accmor Universal Cup Holder comes with an adjustable clamp that can accommodate different stroller brands. It fits rods with diameters ranging from 1.4 centimeters to 4.5 centimeters, so you can use it with confidence on various equipment. Safety is always a priority, and this cup holder doesn't disappoint. It's designed with a rubber pad on the clamp to prevent sliding and has 3 automatic springs in the bottle cage to keep your drinks from spilling or falling even on rough terrain. Plus, it rotates 360 degrees, so you can install it at any angle that suits you. And here's the icing on the cake. This cup holder is made of safe and environmentally friendly materials. The ABS plastics and slip-resistant rubber ensure your cups stay steady no matter where your adventure takes you. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the price. The Accmor Universal Cup Holder typically retails for $9.99, but right now, it's available for just $8.99. That's a 10% discount. And if you apply the 5% coupon, you can save even more. Plus, if you buy 2, you'll save an additional 6%. But wait, before you rush to grab one, let's take a look at what others are saying about it. With over 20,000 ratings, this cup holder has an impressive 4.4-star average. Customers praise its sturdiness, versatility, and ease of installation. They appreciate how it holds drinks securely and works well on various types of equipment. So, there you have it, folks. The Accmor Universal Cup Holder, the best ATV cup holder you can get your hands on. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or a parent on the go, this is a must-have accessory. Don't miss out on the current discounts, and click the link in the description to grab yours today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic product reviews. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until next time, happy adventuring with your new Accmor Universal Cup Holder.